Dr. Fredostar, I beg, elaborate on herpes on the Ebola, on the Becus. Yes. So man tell you about herpes. Number one, herpes na infection where people they carry when then they make way, when they mogli. Now so they carry herpes. E get brother, type 1 and type 2. That type 1, it dey for mouth well. Type 2, type 2, they sit down for that area of your Ebola or your Becus. Yes. How people take they get them? If you use your mouth, you go the lick plates. If you carry am. If you use mouth, you go the like you dey sing with microphone. If you carry am. If you do mogli more, you fit carry am. If you do from back, you fit carry am. Now the funny thing about this herpes be say some people go get am, they no go know say dem get am. They go dey make way. As they make way, they carry am give you. That is number one. Number two, people fit get am. They go just say forget it, na just small scratchy dey there, nothing dey happen. They carry am give you. How you go take know say e dey your body? Number one, you fit no know. Number two, inside your bola, your John Thomas, you fit come see something like sore, like wound, or something just swell up, we get like water inside. You can't scratch am, if he burst. When he burst, you go say this thing they scratching me. That one dey there. Number two, if he pain you, go pain you for that area. So wetin dey happen? Why this thing dey pain me? Oh baby, even you sef, that place, if you can't see wound for your Becus, if you see am for there, how we go take know say you don't get herpes for that down below? Number one, you get how you go explain to your doctor. You say this thing, I they do you, I confirm. I they do you. Oh yeah, tests. If you do blood test, if you do PCR test to find the virus, because now viral infection, now in the there and now they cause some virus. Then how will they treat them? Number one, you no get permanent cure. I go lie for you. You no get permanent cure, baby. So if you dey your body, it don't do. But you get some kind of medicines where if you give person, the person, when the thing dey the person body, medicine go carry and go down so that make it no spread to you understand? Make it no come worse for your body. The medicine go carry and go down. No ask me for the name on top internet. I beg. Yeah, no be hospital. If you define medicine, carry your Becus, carry your akpamu, enter doctor office. I know they share medicine for herpes on top internet. They hear me so? Yeah, now to teach you, make you know what to do. And they go give you medicine. Medicine will carry and go down. If you can't know, say that thing dey your body, no go dey make way every time. Give your body time, make your body treat first. When your body is okay, when the thing don't come out, you know the nothing. You can now waiting. You can now make way. I go lie for you. No, I don't go lie for you. Now, I beg. If you dey your body, I don't say me can't they cry. Hey, I don't get herpes. My mouth don't finish. No, my G. No be so. You live your life, but make sure say you tell your partner. And then when you want mogli more, use protection. You understand? And if you know say you dey mogli more, you make way here today. Tomorrow you make way Manchester. Next tomorrow you enter Liverpool. Next tomorrow you go Eyimba. Oh baby, my G. If you collect, you hear me so? But this one are the few stuff about herpes for the Ebola region. It clear, abi e no clear? Put it in the comment section. Don't forget, like this video, share this video. I always tell you, good life now waiting. Good life. Oh yeah, na sense.